Hi, I'm Katia Pinkowski, and today I'm with Mona Akari, CEO and founder of SiteBuy. SiteBuy is a company you've probably never heard of, but it has already had an indirect impact on your life. SiteBuy is a platform which connects brands and retailers with bloggers. Retailers amplify their brands with organic conversations, and influencers make money doing what they love. You decide to become an engineer. How come?
As I was growing up, I loved playing with cars. And my friends were playing with Barbies, but I was playing with cars, taking them apart, putting them back together. It was just something, I always loved building something, and engineering was the perfect choice.
What kind of problem did you see you needed to solve where you go, okay, that's where we're going to do it?
I come from an online advertising background where I did media buys for big brands, and I saw a huge gap with having authentic native advertising. Influencers and bloggers are people that other people actually trust. So SiteBuy is a technology platform that intelligently matches brands, especially lifestyle and fashion brands, with influencers and bloggers that can amplify that brand's message. So it's a way of authentic advertising for brands.
How is our buying and selling experience is going to be different from now?
You know what, I really think that there's going to come a time where you're going to choose what you want to buy on Instagram, on Facebook, Pinterest, or online, or on your mobile device, and be able to actually try it at home with virtual reality without even stepping out of your house.
Lots of girls would love to ask you this question. What is the challenge of being female CEO?
Sometimes I feel like I have to prove myself, especially because of the type of business we're in. We're a fashion technology, lifestyle company. I feel like society is not giving enough credit generally, and that's why we've got movements like Lean In, Sheryl Sandberg being one of the main pioneers and figures that's really pushing this forward. And that's great to have those people in industry to actually advocate for female.
So it's been a roller coaster, ups and downs. What was your biggest surprise?
To learn about your own limits and really know, how far you can push yourself and work hard. And it's a personal journey as much of a business journey as well, building a company.
What advice would you give to other entrepreneurs?
The key is to really focus and figure out some of those key people that you want to connect with at every stage of your company. I took my time to find the right advisors and right investors that are going to bring good value to the business, and I didn't accept money from just anyone. So you really have to sort of put the right team together.
Thank you very much for chatting with us today. We've learned a lot, and good luck with your company. Keep us posted.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. It was fun chatting. Cheers.